Good morning, children. Today's session we are going to discuss about different purification methods of wastewater. So last session we are discussed the sources of water. Here different sources of water there, and in complete 100% of water in we are getting 97% of salty water and 2% of water is locked in glaciers and poles of the ice, and only 1% of water is present underground lakes, ponds, rivers. That 1% of water only we are using now. So in that 1% of water, how much we are wasting? How much we have to save? So here example, in our kitchen we are wasting lot of water. So that kitchen water we have to make a channel and we have to allow that water to go to garden. So then we are there saving some amount of water. So next, what about bathroom wastewater? So this water containing lot of impurities. Okay, soaps, oils, grease, and impurities it is containing. So this impure water we are not using for garden. So plants also not using this water. So before giving this water to plants, we have to follow some steps to purify the water. So here as well as here we have drainage systems, open drainage system and closed drainage systems. In the drainage systems also we are sending hospital wastewater, household water and industrial wastewater, different types of offices wastewater. So this complete water is contaminated water. This complete water is contaminated water. So this water is known as sewage water. This water is known as sewage water, means liquid sewage water. So this containing different types of impurities like organic impurities, means human feces, animal waste, oil, grease, pesticides, herbicides and fruits, vegetable waste. Inorganic impurities means like nitrates, phosphates and metals. Bacteria and other microbes, cholera causing and typhoid causing and dysentery causing microbes are present in this water. So when this water is allowed to run up to rivers and oceans and seas also, what happening? The aquatic animals will get trouble. So complete aquatic life will get problem, and nature also is completely destroyed. So to decrease this, we have to follow some safety measures. So means when we are allowing this water to sending different types of water sources, here we have to minimize these impurities. Minimize these impurities. To minimize these impurities, what steps we are following? See in this lesson. So here wastewater. So this wastewater containing this all types of materials. So like organic impurities, inorganic impurities and bacteria, other microbes. So this water is we are sending to drainage system. In every village or towns on near the in our streets we are seeing what having beside the roads we are finding drainages. Okay, some which have pipeline connections that is known as closed drainage systems, which like gutters that are known as open drainage systems. So these open drainage systems containing human feces and animal feces, sometimes it is giving bad smell also. This smell also very harm to our health. So here this complete wastewater is now in this water treatment plant. They are sending first bar screens. Here you have to see in your textbook. So this is the bar screens. So means that complete wastewater is passed through this bar screens. So like large objects, what are there? Plastic cans, plastic weight materials like metals, okay, vegetable peels, fruit peels, human feces. So this all here is removed, means near the bar screens it is removing. Okay, next this water is the biogas is you developing. So this gas also using in different manners. So and next what happening here, oil and grease separating. So here, so this oil and grease separating water is next sending to. So now this water is known as clarified water. This water is known as clarified water. So which type of water is known as clarified water? After removing the sludge, oil and grease. Okay. So after removing the sludge means like human waste materials and like oil and grease, removing after this sludge is sending to other tank. So that one using to prepare the biogas means developing the anaerobic bacteria and sending air, and the bacteria starting consuming that waste material and the biogas is producing in that. So that is different tank. And next is first tank in one how this water is present na. So this water is now known as clarified water. This water is known as now clarified water. So this water now able to send the oceans and seas or rivers. So if any contaminants are presenting like cholera, typhoid, dysentery causing microorganisms are containing means here they are using chlorine and ozone. Chlorine and ozone using to this clarified water. Now that water is clear water. So that clear water now sending to flow rivers and seas. So this water is not harm to aquatic life like aquatic plants are as well as aquatic animals. So means when we are sending wastewater along with these impurities, organic impurities and inorganic impurities and bacteria, what happening that aquatic life will get problems. So to decrease that, we have to follow this type of steps as well as what happening when we are following this type of steps. Here biogas is using to preparing, and that river water means what are the surrounding nature, rivers or ponds or lakes also what not giving any bad smell. So that water also we are using to plants. Then again further. So means we are facing water scarcity problems. So when we are following some steps, so we are saving our water. So next session we are going to